The best rolling duffel bags for easy traveling. Duffel bags are an extremely convenient piece of luggage whether you need to pack for a weekend getaway or for an extended trip. The only problem is that you may end up with aching and sore shoulders after lugging around all that weight. That's where rolling duffel bags come in, as they combine the convenience of carrying a suitcase with the ease of packing a bag, and you can just roll it when you want. They are an incredibly versatile piece of luggage, as they are not only perfect carry-on bags, but can also be used as a gym bag or a tote bag for work. They are durable, usually with inline skate wheels, easy to transport and store, lightweight and rugged, and make your travel life a lot simpler. We hope a review of the 5 best rolling duffel bags will help you find your perfect travel companion. Number 1. Best wear-resistant GOXX Rolling Duffel Bag. Designed with premium quality, high-density 1200D PVC fabric, this rolling duffel bag is waterproof, lightweight, and wear-resistant, and comes equipped with durable GOXX zippers. The ergonomically designed alloy telescopic handle is reinforced and extremely handy. The top, bottom, and side are equipped with handles that are easy to grip and carry. Its large-diameter rubber trolley wheels are tear-resistant and are suitable for all terrains. It has an interior strap to keep all your items in place in the bag, and 2 compression-fixed belts to secure the luggage case. It features a large and spacious main compartment which has a U-shaped opening, a zip pocket for easy access, an interior zippered mesh pocket, and a vertical zip pocket at the front. Features: measures 31.69 by 14.96 by 13.78 inches, 100 liters capacity, weighs 11.35 pounds, double-layer design, side card holder, separated storage design, capacity for 10-day trip. Essentials. Number 2. Best durable Eagle Creek No Matter What Rolling Duffel Bag. Crafted with resilient Bi-Tech fabric that is super durable, abrasion resistant, and water resistant with reinforcements at all stress points, this rolling duffel bag is truly built for travel. It features heavy-duty, oversized treaded wheels that are housed in a protective wheel cover, as well as a durable kick plate for smoother rolling. It also boasts of an extra pouch for storage that can also be used as a pocket for gear and shoes that you may want to keep separate. This practically designed bag comes equipped with hull handles, lockable and self-repairing zippers, and a pouch for compressed storage. Specially designed for rugged terrain, it can look after your travel requirements with versatility. Features: measures 30 by 15 by 14 inches, weighs 3.14 pounds, volume capacity of 104 liters, storm flap for water protection. Number 3. Vera Bradley Women's Lighten Up Foldable Rolling Duffel Bag. Crafted with 100% polyester, which is both water repellent and lightweight, this rolling travel duffel bag is extremely durable and easy to clean. It features a zip pocket and 2 elastic mesh pockets in its interior spacious compartment, especially designed for jewelry, cosmetics, and other toiletries. The exterior has a zip pocket for reading material, wallets, boarding passes, or snacks for quick and easy accessibility. You can either roll this duffel bag or use the dual 9-inch straps to carry it. The top zip closure ensures that your personal items are protected and stay secure. Its spinner wheels enhance its mobility and smoothness so that you can travel without a care in the world. Features: measures 13 by 21 by 10 inches, volume capacity of 41 liters, weighs 5.60 pounds, folds down flat, saw lock included, 5 years warranty. Number 4. Samsonite Total Ton 32.5-inch Duffel Bag. The Samsonite Total Ton 32.5-inch duffel is constructed from denier nylon and features over 6,000 cubic inches of space, that making it a carry-all for your next vacation or a convenient storage solution at home. This duffel has a top zipper closure and includes an interior zippered pocket for small accessories and an exterior pocket for easy access to items that you don't want to search for in the bottom of the bag. When not in use, this duffel collapses for space-saving storage. Excellent quality. Constructed of lightweight, super durable 400 denier nylon material and is hand washable. Roomy main compartment and a zippered interior pocket for small items. Convenient to carry and collapsible, this nylon duffel bag featuring 2-tone handles, screen print logo at front, and collapsible for easy storage. Versatile. Perfect for use as a lightweight gym bag, gym sack, shoe bag, sports bag, travel bag, duffel bag, carry bag, airline bag to carry all your gears. Great for kids. to summer camp, students heading off to college, storing toys, or for anyone else going anywhere. Overall dimensions: 33 by 17 by 11.5 inch, weight 1 pounds, zippered interior pocket for small items, collapsible for easy storage. Number 5. Bago duffel bag for travel, women and men. Measures 11 by 15 by 27 inches with 80 liters capacity and weighs 1.5 pounds. Multi-purpose for travel, sports gear, shopping, and organizing. Folds up compact to 11.8 by 12.6 inches. Take it along as an extra just-in-case bag. Pick your favorite color. Durable and convenient, water and odor-proof outer compartment. Reliable zippers with pull strings. Honeycomb waterproof ripstop fabric resists wear and tear. A reliable travel bag or gym bag designed to last for long use. These are sturdy duffel bags, travel bags for men, and travel bags for women. Use as main luggage, a shopping bag, overnight or a weekender bag. Weighs 75% less than most luggage. While traveling, simply unfold at the airport to carry gift, souvenirs, laundry, or transfer items from a damaged suitcase to avoid baggage charges. Prevent stress out. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.